Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, here's another fun lesson from one of my pop art cartoons, and not my cartoon, but my style, should I say, and it is Wonder Woman, one of my most prize-winning characters that people actually want when I go to Comic-Cons. Anyways, so this is another one of my quick little representation of my style. I would love to see some of your styles, so if you have a chance, do some drawings and send them on over to me on my website. I appreciate that, and I'll definitely get back to you. Anyway, so if you have a paper and a pencil, I think we're ready to begin this Wonder Woman lesson. Let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.